the annotations and descriptions you provide along with your sketch. This allows the tool to understand the functionality and navigation you want in your prototype. Once it has a solid understanding of your requirements, the tool gets to work creating your prototype. It scours its vast database of design elements, picking and choosing the ones that best fit your needs. In a matter of seconds, it assembles these elements into a coherent, user-friendly prototype. Now, you might be thinking, what if the prototype isn't perfect? What if it needs tweaks and adjustments? That's where the magic of machine learning comes in. The tool learns from your feedback, continuously improving the prototype until it's just right. This case study of Design AI is a perfect example of how AI is not just aiding the process of prototyping, but actively reshaping it. It's making prototyping faster, more intuitive, and more accessible. This case study is just a glimpse into the myriad ways AI is redefining the landscape of prototyping. In this brief journey into the future of prototyping, we've seen some compelling evidence of AI's transformative power. We've witnessed how AI can take a simple sketch and transform it into an interactive prototype in seconds, a process that would have taken hours, if not days, traditionally. We also delved into a fascinating case study where a leading tech company leveraged this technology to drastically reduce their design time, thereby speeding up their product development cycle. This case study is a testament to the potential of AI in revolutionizing the prototyping process. Looking ahead, we anticipate further advancements in this field. Imagine a world where prototypes can learn and adapt based on user interactions, or where AI can predict design trends and suggest improvements. As AI continues to evolve, the prototyping process will become faster, smarter, and more efficient, opening up exciting possibilities for designers and developers worldwide.